Hello friends, my name is Gaurav Lokhande and in today's video we will be covering the three topics of key interface of collection. What are that three topics? First one is our sorted set, second is navigable set and third is queue. In the last video we had covered the three topics, that is collection, list and set. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. Okay. Okay. Sorted set is the fourth key interface of collection in Java. So let's see what is the first point it says. It is the child interface of set. Collection, parent, and its child is set. And set is also parent of for sorted set. So its child is sorted set. Okay, I hope you understand the first point, what it is saying. If we want to represent a group of individual objects as a single entity where duplicates are not allowed. See, in the previous videos I had told, in the set you cannot store the duplicates like 1 2 3 4 I had stored. Now you can't store 1 2 3 4 again. You have to place 5 6 7 8 9 10. And see, let's see for more. According to some sorting order, then we should go for a sorted set. See, here it is saying that if we give I give an output input of 1 2 3 4 5 and 7 8 9 10. No, sorry, it is a sorted one. I am giving an input of 1 3 2 5 4. It is unordered, right? Yes, right, it is an unordered. So what will be its sorted set? It will be 1 2 3 4 5. It will be the sorted set, so it will sort in this manner. I hope you understand. So let's move to our another topic, that is navigable set. It is the fifth key interface of collection. What is the first point? Let's see. It is the child interface of sorted set. It defines several methods for navigable purpose. Here navigable purpose means clearly understands that for navigation means I have to move to another element. That is the navigation. I have to move to another element for in forward direction or in backward direction. This means the navigation. And it is the child interface of sorted set. Sorted set is the parent and navigable set is child. And see here, navigable set came in 1.6 version after sorted set version, 1.2 version, after that only 1.4, then 1.6. And under navigable set there is tree set. I hope you understand the navigable set also. Let's move to last topic of this video is 6, that is queue. Sixth key interface of collection. Let's see what queue says. Queue interface orders the element of FIFO. In FIFO, first element is removed first and last element is removed at first. See, as you had seen first in data structure FIFO concept. FIFO means first in. 10 is the first element is inserted. Second element is 20 and third is the 30. Fourth is the 40. See here, last element is removed at last. Means 10 is the last element according to that, because pointer is at 40. So last element is 10. So the if I want to remove an element, here 10 will be removed. Okay, now there is no 10, only 20, 30, 40. Now if I remove any element, 20 will be removed. This means the FIFO, first in first out. Okay, in collection it is the parent and its child is queue. It came in 1.5 version. Whole queue concept came in 1.5 version. Under queue there are two child, priority queue 1.5 version, blocking queue 1. And blocking queue has also its two childs, that is linked blocking queue and priority blocking queue. I hope you understand these three concepts also, and last videos and in of you have understand all the concepts of six key interfaces, that is collection, collection list, set, sorted set, navigable, and queue. And further in the next video we will see what I can cover. I hope you like this video and enjoying the content. For more suggestions you can see tell me in the comment section. So I hope you like it, and thank you.